Hey Bulldogs, in this video you will learn how to correctly set up a bibliography for a Chicago-style paper. First, the bibliography should be on its own page at the very end of your paper. The word bibliography should be at the top of the page and should be centered as it's functioning as your title for this section of the paper. From there, you want to make sure that all of your citation information is put in hanging indent. So to do this, highlight all of your information, go to Format, Align and Indent, Indentation Options, put this in hanging, and then click Apply. All this is going to do is place all the subsequent lines after the first line of the citation over like this to the right. It makes it a little bit easier to read too, so when you're checking for mistakes, you can catch them easier than if it were all smushed together like it was a second ago. Then you want to make sure that all of your information matches the formatting of the rest of your paper. So you probably wrote in something like Times New Roman 12-point font, and it's probably double-spaced. No matter what you used or to write the rest of your paper in, you need to make sure that the bibliography matches that formatting. Now you need to make sure that all of your citations are in alphabetical order, just like this. You go off of the first author's last name. So if there's only one author, that makes it easy, but in this case there are quite a few authors, so you go off of the first author's last name. In the event that you have multiple authors like this, it only goes last name, first name for the first author, and then from there all of the following authors go author's first name and then last name, just like this, until you get to the end.
It's for Kristen.
Like APA, the publication year goes after the author's name, and then it goes article title, container, date published, like the day, not the year, and then the access date, depending on if it's a website or not, and then include the URL if it is a website. For a journal, it goes all of the author's names. Remember, author's last name, first name, only for the first author, and then it's author's first name, last name for all the rest. Publication year, article title, journal name, volume number, issue number, and then page range. Similar to APA, the journal names, not the article titles, but the journal names like this, should be italicized. Unlike APA though, the volume numbers remain unitalicized, so they're just plain like this. And there you have it, Bulldogs. This is basic information on how to set up a bibliography for a Chicago-style paper. If you need more in-depth information on how to set up specific citations for websites and journals and so on and so forth for a bibliography, please see our video on how to do so. Have a great day.